on social media and the internet's negative effects on mental health. The internet and social media platforms are mostly used by the younger generations. It is used to connect with friends, family, and many more. But the younger generations are the ones who are mostly affected with the negative effects. Lack of sleep, body image, and cyberbullying. For a teenager between the ages of 14 and 18, they need 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. However, getting people off the internet at night is harder since the internet is accessible 24 hours a day. When you don't get a good night's rest, it is easier to be in a more irritable mood the next day, making it harder to concentrate and get tasks done. In a study done by Dr. Splavar, he says, sleep is essential for learning new information and to process and retain information that has been learned throughout the day. Next is body image. Body image has a big negative effect on social media because teenagers, especially girls, tend to compare their bodies to those of celebrities and models online. These models tend to be thin and slim, and many celebrities will advertise weight loss products claiming it made them slimmer, and women will buy these products to try and match the beauty standard that is in the picture. In a study done for the Eastern Echo, they found that 44% of girls agreed that celebrities' posts make them feel more insecure about their own bodies, and 82% said that they have higher expectations of their bodies since being on social media. But with internet comes cyberbullying. In a study done by the Child Mind Institute, they were able to find that depressive symptoms have increased by 33% for people between the 8th and 12th grade, once they have joined social media platforms. In the same study done, they found out that suicide rates for females between 8th and 12th grade increased by 65% once they joined a social media platform. A lot of cyberbullying comes from anonymous users who have the ability to hide behind a screen and say what they want and as much as they want. On this fact sheet done by YouKnowKids.com, it says that 43% of teens have been victims of cyberbullying in the last year. There is a long list of benefits to social media and the internet and their influence on our social standards and society, but there is a long list of negative effects that it has on the people and the younger generations and how they are affected by it.